Hey, besties. It's time for Makeup for Besties. So it looks like we're going to try to create Christmas lights. Now that is so cool. I think we should try it, besties. Okay, so we're going to try the Christmas lights on one eye, and I want to try this one on the other. It looks like we're wrapping a present. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so I got all my makeup off. Okay. Whew. Let's do Christmas lights and then Christmas present. All right, so I got me like a little marker to write. So, let's see. Hold on. All right, let me take a look at it and see. All right. So I kind of see she went in here. Oh. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, it feels so awkward. Oh. Okay. Okay, cousins. Oh, okay, okay. We got that. There we go. We did it, cousins. Hey, the groceries are almost here. Ooh. Cousin. I like it. Okay, cousin. Yes, cousin. Down here. Nope, wrong way, cousin. Cousin. Oh. Yes, I love it. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. 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 I've been doing something. Okay. 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 Okay, cousin. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. Okay, I did my eyebrow. Now we're gonna do the other look on this eye, since I probably should have did my eyebrow first. I think that this Christmas light look will probably look better on someone with fair skin. If you have a darker complexion like me, maybe glitter. But we're going to try the other one, the present. Let's do it. Okay, so with the red, they have a really, really fluid red that I don't have. So I'm going to try to make. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it looks like the same premise with the black outline. We're going to do the same exact thing, but with the red. Okay, cousins. Let's do it. So we're going to start here. Oh, I have no idea why I keep my mouth open. All right. Now, theirs is a little thinner, but we're going to make it do what we can do. All right. We did that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so they filled it all the way in. I'm about to cheat. Yeah, you got it, besties. I'm about to cheat. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can hold our eye down. This feels crazy. Oh, yeah. Oh. We did it, though, cousin. Yeah! I ain't mad about it. I ain't mad. We did that. All right, cousins. Okay, now we got to do the white. Cousins. Let's see. All right, cousins. Let's see. Let's turn this light off. I like it. Okay, okay, cousin. Cousin, we did that. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some extra little spice to it because I'm extra. So we're gonna put some little glitter on it. I'll be right back. All right, cousins. I got my eyelashes on. I just put this one on. Thanks, besties. Make sure that you hit that like button on your way out. And thanks for watching Makeup for Besties. I like this one better. Yeah.